Hi, I'm here from M's Quilts and M's Scrap Bag, and today I'm going to give you a little scrap busting 101. I'll give you ideas on how to sort your scraps so that you can use and find them, and ideas on what you can do to incorporate them into your quilts so that you can bust through them. Thanks for watching my video. Remember to like and subscribe. All right, let's get started. One of the ways I like to sort my scraps is by color. And I do that with what I call my chunks, which are anything that is larger than a charm square, which is a 5-inch square, but smaller than a fat quarter. And I do those all by color. So I have a color bin for each one, and I just sort accordingly. Some fun ways to use these chunks are remember that the AccuQuilt Go is a great way to be able to bust through your scraps quickly and efficiently and get you sewing faster. You may like this video of my favorite AccuQuilt dies for scrap busting. Another way I like to sort my scraps is by strips. And I have a 2.5-inch strip bin. I just do it by size. And a 1.5-inch strip bin, and then I have a bin that's just random sizes, don't fit in those two. And let me show you quilts that I have made using strips. My final method for sorting my scraps is my Bitspin. And I don't really sort this at all. This is just anything that's smaller than a charm square. And when I'm in the mood for some just therapeutic sewing, I make crumb fabric. Let me show you ways you can use that. I hope this video has given you lots of ideas to organize and use your scraps. If you'd like more inspiration, I would encourage you to check out my trunk show. I'll put a link to that in the description below. It's full of lots of inspiration on how to use your scraps. Thanks again for watching my video. Remember to like and subscribe. We'll see you next time. Bye!